Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Hexaware and it is an infrastructure management support role and the job location is Mumbai. The last date to apply for this role is 9th of November and the CTC provided for this role is 3 LPA. Now let's see about it detailedly. And please note, the college or candidate's current location should be from only Maharashtra region. First 3 months you will be getting 15,000 as a salary. After completion of the 3 months, you will be getting 3 LPA as a salary and there is a 2 years of service bond for this role. The academic criteria for this role is 60% or 6 CGPA and above throughout in 10th, 12th and graduation with no active backlogs. The batch is eligible to apply for this role is 2024 and the qualification required for this role is you should be a graduate from BSc or BCA and the specialization should be CS or IT or Electronics, EEE or Secretarial. And we will provide you the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.